Hello everyone, we're going to go through the keylogger assignment. A keylogger logs all the activity on your computer. This activity is what I would call a proof of concept so that you know how it works. You're not going to be able to get somebody to disable their well, maybe you could. Anyway, we want to go to refog.com. And before we download, you want to take a look at the features just so you can see what it does. But before we download, because the antivirus detects it as a virus, we want to go into it. So I clicked here, double clicked on this. I'm going into virus and threat protection settings. I'm going to disable it just for our assignment. It's not really a virus, but it's considered a virus or malware because it's a keylogger. So we download. I have already created an account. You will need to create an account. There we go. And download. Now there's the password we need to get into the archive. I don't know if that changes or it's the same one. Anyway, pay attention to that. Download. All right, here we go. I'm going to open the folder. You never want to open a file. A zip file. I'm going to right-click, extract. There it goes. Now I need my password. REFOG 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, it's even on the passwords on the archive. That's pretty funny. Comes up there. And there it is. There is our program. Well, since our computer is disabled, our antivirus is disabled, we can install it. Now it's going to say that, it's not quite sure about this. We're going to go to My Info and run it anyway. Sometimes even legitimate programs can get caught by this. So we'll run anyway. You have to say yes because we're going to make changes. We are doing my own computer. We don't want to check this because we want to be able to get in and uninstall it afterwards. And we do have to do the agreement. What do we want to do? Well, let's just do everything. Well, the antivirus behaved differently than the first time I did this. So we'll have to go back to the security and figure out what happened. Let's see, virus and threat protection. There we go. So we have disabled the antivirus. We're going to go into manage settings again. No, we're not. We're going to go into, protection history. Here is a quarantine threat. Yeah, well, that darn thing. So we're going to go in here and restore. Now we'll try it again, see if it works this time. A little more aggressive than the last time I did this. All right, we double click. Yes. My own computer. Agree. Select all. I already have a login, so I can look at it online. So Loring W at wncc.edu and my secret password. Looks like it's not going to eat it up this time. So I've read and accept the agreement. Activate. It's now, my device is linked to my online dashboard. And this is fine. That's the program installation folder. We click install. Now at the end of this installation, it wants us to restart before it can work. Well, it says, please use the following hotkeys. Unfortunately, because we're on a virtual machine, the hotkeys don't necessarily work. So we'll go ahead and restart. When we restart, of course, the antivirus finds it, and oh, I think it just deleted. This time it just deleted, I think, the installation file. Okay. So if you go here, it's going to show, and oh, there it is this time. Okay. So we go ahead and double click or right click on it. After my computer finished starting up, I was able to go in here and double click to bring the program up. Takes a while for it to start though. There it is. So here's my user. It's taken, oh, look at that. It's already done stuff with me. It's monitored. So if we go down here, okay, in this case, my trial period is over, so I can't see any activities. I can go to the website and see if I see activities, but I won't be able to see it because you only get a 3-day trial period. And I've already installed it once, so my demonstration for the video isn't quite right. After you're done taking a look at things and looking at the website, let's go ahead and go to the website where you can see my activities. Before I would see stuff in here. And we go to refog.com, and then you would log in. Yep, you log on as your person. And there is my desktop. And my subscription expired, so I can't see anything. In your case, you'll be seeing information. Once you are done with this, go ahead and go to Tools. There we go. And you can uninstall it. And there it goes.